Hey guys, let's talk about one of the cheapest, fastest, and easiest ways to customize your Goldwing. So I think many of us would agree that Honda did a really good job on the restyle of the new generation Goldwing. But I think many of us would also agree that Honda kind of cheaped out on a few things also. Such as the navigation, my opinion, not the greatest. These grips, kind of cheap, not so great. And let's look at this rear brake lever. Looks like it came off of a Grom. Not really in line with a $30,000 motorcycle. So in order to remedy this, Goldstrike came up with a solution. It's totally cheap, super easy to install. So this is the Goldstrike brake pedal cover. So this thing's like 40 bucks, will make your bike look and feel much better. So easy to install, like a child can do it, or talented pet maybe. So this thing's, like I said, was super easy. All you do is 2 pieces, 7mm Allen. Goes under here, goes over here like that. Okay, got these 2 little 7mm Allens. Just start them out. If you were smart, unlike me, you probably put a little bit of Loctite on those things. But at the end of the day, you don't really need to. Hey Renee, why don't you tell everybody what a great deal we got from Wing Stuff?
Okay, so we got this part on Wing Stuff, which is usually $39.99 MSRP for only $35.99. And you know what we like to say about Wing Stuff, right?
If Wing Stuff doesn't have it, you don't need it.
And this is not a sponsored video. We're just big fans of wingstuff.com.
Just give it like a little bit tight, doesn't have to be like monkey tight. So there you have it, one of the easiest, cheapest ways to customize your bike. This thing comes in black, comes in chrome, whatever you want, easy peasy. Okay, so this wasn't a sponsored video or anything, but we'll put a link in the comments to where you can get yourself one of these Goldstrike covers. If there's another cool custom that you guys know of that's nice, easy, cheap, quick, let us know in the comments. Talk to you guys later.